Hello again. In this video, I will show you how to apply the configuration of OAS into the Weblogic domain. Open the VMware. Now we will log into my computer, then C, then Oracle, Middleware, Oracle Home, bin, BI, then config, Oracle BI, bin, config. We will run this command config.cmd. Copy this path, go to cd, dir directory, then we'll select config, right click, then enter. Oracle Fusion Middleware 12c. This is welcome screen. Welcome to Oracle Analytics 6.4 Configuration Assistant. Press next. Okay. In this video, you will choose either to install only Oracle Analytics Server, which is include Analytics plus data DV, data visualization, and you can select to install Oracle Analytics Publisher. In this window, you will specify what's your installation will be include DV Analytics Publisher or only Oracle BI Publisher. I will choose both of them. Next. Here, checking operating system is warning, but it will continue, don't worry. The others are success. Next. Okay, now, it will ask you, what is your domain name will be? You can keep it as a default BI or make a new name. Here, if you remember, it will ask you now, what is your credential for a new domain? The Weblogic, when you log into Analytics or BI Publisher or DV, you will insert the first or default user or admin user is Weblogic. What is your password will be? I will make my password Weblogic01. Then next. Here's the default directory. It will be inside Oracle Middleware, Oracle User Project. Usually, it will be inside User Project, then domain, and inside domain will be BI. Okay. Next. Okay, now, what is the schema prefix? If you remember, we make it like div, right? What is your schema password? Okay, confirm your schema password. Oracle database, username, now for simple connection, for simple connect string, it should be the host name 192.168.135.192.115.21 ORCL. Here's the IP address, host name, the port, and the service name. This if you want to create schema from scratch. However, we have our existing schema, right? Use existing schema. I only want to show you how to create a new schema, but in our case, we have our existing schema. Here the simple connect string, the host name, the port, and the service name. The prefix, it will be, if you remember, div, and the password, keep it capital letter, my password. So if we don't apply the RCU, we can select this option. If we apply the RCU, we can select this option. Now, next. Okay. When you log into OBIE or Analytics or BI Publisher, you put the IP address and then you put 9502 or 9602 or 9702. This comes from here. When you apply this port, it will be by default the Analytics, it will be 9502. But if I put 96 here, it will be 9602. And I will explain this in details Once we open the BI, I will keep it 9502 and the port range end port 9999. Next. Here, clean installation by default. Next. Here, it will give me all the required links. Application. As you can see here, the Weblogic console. This is the IP address. For the BI publisher, it will be XMLP server. For the EM or Fusion middleware, it will be 9500/EM. The analytics, it will be 9502/analytics. And for DB, it will be the IP address or the hostname 9502/DB. It's important or it's mandatory to keep this file in your PC. I will keep it here, bi config, save. File is saved successfully. Now press configure. The configuration is started. It will take some time. Okay guys, the installation has been finished successfully. As you can mention, it takes a long time to finish. Now I can press next, and you can also save the configuration from here as well. Finish. After completing the installation or configuration, we need to make sure that all BI links are working fine and all the services up and running. In order to make sure the services up and running, you can go to where you installed middleware, C, Oracle, middleware, Oracle Home, user projects, domain, BI tool, bin. You can press here CMD, command line, command prompt, and press status.cmd. It will take some time to open. Oracle BI contain 3 links for reporting. The first one is BI publisher. It ends with XMLP server. The second one is analytics/analytics, which was the OBIE. And the third one is DB or data visualization. For sure, if you want to create a new user, we will use console. And if you want to create user or groups, we will use console, or if you need to configure LDAP or SQL authentication, we'll use SQL console. And if you want to assign a group to the rule or user to the rule, we use EM. Let me open the different PI links while the command is finished. Let me go to the first link. The port is 9502/XMLP server. Enter. This is BI publisher. Okay. Username Weblogic. The password Weblogic01. BI publisher is open. I can open now. I want to open DV/DV. Click data visualization. From data visualization, I can open the analytics or open new link analytics. From here, open classic home. This is /analytics. Okay, the third link is console 950Z port /console. Enter. Username Weblogic, password Weblogic01. I will go in details for each link in the next videos, inshallah. And the last link is EM, Enterprise Manager, /0/EM. EM usually take more time comparing with the console. The EM is open. Sign in. Command is still in progress. Now it's almost finished. It accesses this link. We can either add the IP address or this name, host name. As you can see here, all the BI services, admin server, BI server 1, OBI BS1, OBI JH1, OBI CCS1, OBI SH1, OBI S1, all up and running. And here the Enterprise Manager is still logging. It takes some time, especially the first time. As I mentioned, from EM, we can add any user or any group, assign user and group to the rule. And from BI, from analytics, we can manage the rules. Grant report or folder to a specific rule or user, single user. Also from Enterprise Manager EM, we can stop and start BI services. EM finally is open. As I mentioned, it takes long time to open, especially in the first time in Windows operating system. Now it's open fine, and you can go to security, you can go to application rule in order to assign users or groups to any predefined or custom rule. After finish this video, we finish all the required steps to open and configure OAS in your Windows operating system. For Linux, it will be the same steps, unless you need to select the different file that is specific for Linux instead of Windows. If you face any issue during any steps of installation, please use your questions in the QA. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.